Hi, David.
Hey, Stephen, how you doing? I bet you've been busy with a product launch. Looks great.
Oh yeah, it's been busy, but did you get a chance to look at the product launch page? And what do you think about that?
Oh, I did. I really appreciate you sending me the link. Super excited about the new capabilities that Treasure Data is releasing, especially how they can relate to CPG companies themselves, right? So, as you know, obviously, since you were knee deep in the product launch, there's those three big capabilities, right? Treasure Insights, which is going to deliver a lot of value from an analytics perspective. The new MarTech integrations are great. I mean, the ability to continue to expand the integrations is phenomenal. And then this in-store SDK could be a real game changer for CPGs that have a hybrid model with actual physical locations.
Yeah, so since you're kind of the expert on CPG, give me more details on how these new capabilities can be used by the CPG companies.
Yeah, sure. So, the Treasure Insights is really providing us out of the box, but configurable analytics and dashboard capabilities. And what's important about that is, I think a lot of times people spend a lot of time wrangling the data and or having to rely on IT to build out dashboards and analytics and do machine learning type activities. And what this allows the marketers to do is, and the brand managers, to spend more time on those value add activities and to really spend time on increasing retention, increasing the lifetime customer value and acquisition costs. The second big capability or thing that was released were the new MarTech integrations. I'll scroll down here and show you. So there's 15 new connectors that work with a lot of the big marketing stack components that are out there. And why I think this is really, really important for CPG companies is Treasure Data is doing the heavy lifting from a development perspective. The MarTech landscape is constantly evolving. And I think sometimes companies think, well, hey, we can build this ourselves. But the reality of it is it's hard to keep pace with all these changes. So I think this is a good example of how Treasure Data is doing all that work to make sure that the solution integrates with all of these great components out there and allows the marketing folks to focus on marketing activities. And then the last piece is the in-store SDK. And I think, when we talk about in-store, probably a lot of CPG folks are going, wait a second, we don't have stores, right? We go through either e-commerce or direct to consumer through a website or through the traditional retailers. But the fact of the matter is, there's a lot of industry subsegments that have stores, right? Whether it's apparel and footwear companies have stores, but even companies like in the beverage category maybe do wine tastings as an example in stores or have their own tasting events. And so I think that's a great opportunity to use the SDK to bring that rich set of data from the CDP over into mobile apps so that we can basically do engagement in the moment with those shoppers and those consumers. So it's very relevant beyond just a store.
No, that's right. No, thank you, David, for those insights. Well, for those of you who haven't seen the product launch announcement, I encourage you to go click on the link below in the description box to check out our latest landing page about all the details regarding the new Treasure Insights, the MarTech integrations, and the in-store SDK that David just talked about. Thanks again, David. I'll talk to you soon.
Yeah, thanks, Stephen. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye.